As a maintenance leader, you want your teams to stay focused on critical aircraft maintenance tasks. However, administrative processes like tool management can create obstacles and slow down their efficiency. MROTools offers a simple, user-friendly interface that makes issuing tools to technicians quick and hassle-free. For example, to issue a tool, users simply scan the technician ID, the work order or location of the maintenance task, and the required tools. This process takes just a few seconds, and all the data is then automatically compiled and made accessible across the entire organization.